Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi A7. If we go to music now, the mobile is paired. I'll click that, I'm going to turn it down. You see at the bottom, you know that any music that's going to play through here from this phone will come through the audio system in here if you've got the right buttons pressed. There you go, Audi A7, so it's going to come through here. We'll click play. We go over to the system, we want media, click media. At the moment it's on external audio player. Source is up there, settings there. Those correspond to these two buttons on the outside. We want source, and then I just turn the rotary control till I'm onto my phone. There you go, so that's on Bluetooth now. If I turn this up, and then this, that's how you play music through the system.